Hey guys, it's Rick from the IPSi World Headquarters. We're here in the Infinity Label Group Print Lab today to talk about our favorite topic, labeling. Specifically, how we help growers and processors in the cannabis industry meet their labeling challenges. We're not medical professionals, however, it has been proven that working with IPSi to improve your label printing workflow will, number one, reduce anxiety amongst all the stakeholders involved with label printing. That includes sales, marketing, operation, engineering, and IT. Two, improved mood of all the operational personnel involved with label printing every day in your operation. Three, relieve pain and suffering resulting from your current label printing inefficiencies. And four, you'll sleep better knowing that you have the right hardware and software and relationship with a company like IPSi to meet all of your labeling challenges now and in the future. And while our labeling printing processes alone won't make you a deep thinker or more fun and interesting at parties, it will definitely have the beneficial side effect of an increased appetite for digital transformation and operational improvement. Today we're going to be making a video highlighting two of the most popular industrial label printers we sell, the Epson C7500G and the Epson C6000A. In a few minutes, Pete's going to take you through the operation of these two printers side by side to show you why we like them and why we advocate for them and any customer we have who wants to print labels on demand on a daily basis.
What's up, guys? It's Pete, your local cannabis expert. Cannabis labeling expert, that is. We here at IPSi have witnessed a massive increase in the number of cannabis customers in the last year. We know what we're doing when it comes to labeling cannabis products. Our experience working with growers and processors across the nation has enabled us to leverage our expertise in helping customers produce labels on demand in a new and heavily regulated industry. Today's video will help you determine what kind of printer is right for you when the time comes to make that choice. The correct label printer choice is influenced by the size of the labels, volume, artwork, and other variable information. We recommend and have very happy customers using both the Epson ColorWorks C7500G and the Epson ColorWorks C6000 inkjet printers for in-house custom label printing for product, logistics, and compliance labels. On one hand, the Epson C6000 offers unmatched print quality, featuring color correction tools, print quality up to 1200 dpi, and variations that include a peel and present mechanism, as well as a potential print width of 8.5 inches with accurate text printing down to a size 3 font per our testing. If you feel that the printer is going a bit too slow for your label volume, lowering the quality of the print also changes the number of head passes. This gives you a variable speed anywhere between 0.3 inches per second and 4.7 inches per second. If you want to see the differences between the settings in real time, you can check out our C6000 series print demonstration. If 0.3 inches per second seems a bit slow, we understand. However, you should keep in mind that these printers are priced in a way that makes them perfect for parallel printing. Rather than one printer working to print several formats, it may make sense to have multiple printers, each with their own specific task. Of course, this depends on things like volume and the logic behind each label. Now let's say you're doing a high volume of just a couple formats. Let's say you need 12,000 labels in the next few hours. Surely, nothing short of an actual printing press can make that happen, right? Well, let's take a look at the Epson ColorWorks C7500G. This printer has been around for over 6 years, and we've implemented it into dozens and dozens of solutions. Why? Well, let me show you. The C7500G usually elicits the same surprise reaction every time we show it off. This printer can crank out 1200 by 600 dpi labels at 12 inches per second. I think it's fair to call this one blazing fast. We also have a speed demonstration for this printer, and the link for that will be on screen right now. The clear message of this video helps you understand that we recommend each of these printers when it comes to labeling your product. But what we want to make sure you understand is why we recommend each of them. Creating efficient labeling systems is more than a piece of adhesive paper and a printer. IPSi is also the proud parent of a service called Sticky. Sticky is a data management service that interacts directly with your state's Cannabis Lab service and serves the data right up to bartender or nice label through an API, eliminating all of the tedious manual entry from the lab results. Sticky can save you loads of time and labor while preventing the headaches that come with errors from manual entry mistakes. We encourage you to reach out for a consultation by calling or emailing us.
So regardless of the industry that you're in, All efficient label printing systems require three things: powerful labeling software, flexible and reliable label printing equipment, and label application equipment tailored to your product packaging. So we hope you find this content helpful and interesting to your evaluation of label printing equipment for your business. Please give us a call. We'd love to learn about your business and find out how we can help.